Welcome to Entry. My name is Akash Shukla, your content educator at Entry app. So guys, you all know that ki RRB PO exams are over. 1st August and 7th August was the date for the RRB PO exams. And what we saw in the terms of the difficulty level of the question paper, on 1st August paper, we saw ki all the question paper were quite difficult, or you can say quite moderate as compared to the previous year paper. But on 7th August we saw quite easy paper as compared to the 1st August paper. So guys, now students are asking ki sir, what will be the process of the normalization? Yes guys, so I have to agree about that ki normalization will play an important role in RRB PO exam prelims examination. Guys, let me tell you how the normalization process works. So guys, I was a part of RRB PO 2018 exam and I attempted 40 out of 40 in quantitative aptitude section, and I got 39 marks rather than 40 out of 40. So guys, why 1 marks was reduced? Just due to the normalization process, because my shift was quite easy as compared to the other shift. So guys, in this way we can say that ki in normalization process, if your shift was quite easy, then your marks can be reduced. If your shift was quite difficult, then your marks can be increased. So this is how the normalization process works. So अगर 1st अगस्त को आपका पेपर था and you found your paper quite difficult, then definitely your marks will be increased. So RRB की तरफ से आपके मार्क्स बढ़ाए जाएंगे, और ऐसा हो सकता है कि 7th अगस्त जिनका पेपर था उनके नॉर्मलाइजेशन में मार्क्स घटाए जाए. So guys, this is how the normalization process will work. I know that this is a very shock thing, but yeah guys, this is a bitter truth. So all those aspirants who were saying ki sir this is quite injustice with us because we had a paper on 1st August. So guys, let me tell you in normalization process your marks will be increased definitely. So guys, this is what I want to tell in this video. I hope कि आपके समझ में आ गया how the normalization process will work in RRB PO prelims examination. This is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the exam guys. And if you are preparing for any banking and insurance exam in 2021, then you can join our Entry Gold Banking batch. For that guys, you can find a small Google form link in description field, and you can attend our free trial classes also guys, free live trial classes guys. Thank you very much.